How to remove and authorize users from Amazon Visa card. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can remove and authorize the user from Amazon Visa card. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So one of the fast and most reliable way is to call Chase directly. If you have a Chase number, you could directly make a call. If not, you could open up Google in your device. Then you could head over to Chase customer service number. So in the search bar, search for Chase customer service number. Once you search for it, you will land on this interface. If you head over to the link, and if you scroll down a bit, here you may have a number. So here it says credit card, personal banking, auto loans. So in order to make a call, you could directly head over to the first number on your interface, that is 1-800-432-3117. Make a call and you could tell them that you would like to remove and authorize users from your Amazon Visa card. Then they will verify your identity. They will ask which authorized user to remove and they will process the removal immediately. Then you will get a confirmation once it is done. And in case if you do not prefer not, or if you prefer not to call, you could head over to chase.com. Then you have to sign in into your account. So navigate to your sign in page, enter your login credential, log in into your account. After that, navigate to your profile or the support center. Under that, you have to search for a secure message. Tap on it, then you have to choose your Amazon Visa card. Then there you could send a message. You could send a message writing that you would like to remove the authorized users from your Amazon Visa card and make sure to specify the name of user as well. Then you could request them to remove the user. After that, you will get a reply within 24 to 48 hours. So make sure that you follow their instructions. So that's it. That's how you can remove and authorize users from Amazon Visa card. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.